Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 42 Dalfield Place. This very tidy 3-bedroom home ticks a lot of boxes. Really good sized living rooms, got internal access garage, fantastic back lawn, and it's a hot skip and a jump to the supermarket down the road. But that's enough from me. Let's go through and have a look.
Something new, sink your teeth in. Think you had enough, but you never had it rough. We're just having fun, someone tell him not to run. Told you I come alive when I drive through the woods at night. It's a fine line, this is yours and this is mine. Wake your hunter's mind, tear apart what you can